hi, it's the end of the day and I've just had the most incredible day. Room full of people expanding, laughing and connecting with each other, connecting with their heart. It was the most incredible courses I have run in my life because I've seen people shifting from their fear into their brilliance right in front of my eyes. So I'm hugely inviting you. I'm inviting you with greatest joy to the next one. So if you're ready to expand, step into your brilliance, this is it. This is time to expand. I'm looking forward to seeing you.
It's absolutely incredible.
It's one of the most generous courses I've ever done. Gosh, she gives so much of herself.
Really invigorating, and I've had a great time.
Get yourselves a place booked onto the course. It's absolutely worth it.
I feel so much more confident, assertive, and I'm going to go out there and shine.
Today is a day of tapping into our brilliance. So when you think about fear, you go like, oh my God, it's a bit scary. But actually, today, as you walk out of this door at the end of the day, I want you to think about your fears and go, wah! It's very different. It's not like, wah, wah. Similar, but much better. Everything you've ever wanted is on the other side of fear. You've heard this sentence before, right? But I really feel it. I believe it, I feel it, I live it, I know it. I want you to know that this workshop today could be life-changing for you, maybe for one of your family members, for your child, but only if you allow this. The only thing that is standing in the way of that brilliance, it's our fear. And everything else that is not fear, like anger, guilt, shame, resentment, it's all actually, in the end, somehow connected and bound by fear. Would you agree with me? People say there's only two emotions, love and fear, and I would actually agree with this. I embraced it, loved it, and I used it. So you need to use your fear. That the bigger the fear, the bigger the shift. By the end of today, you're going to flip one of your biggest fears into your biggest success.